you look up, you see the clouds moving fast. So cool, guys, right? And if you look right behind us, you see our puppy and our daddy. And if you look all around, you see all of our stuff. And yeah, so it's headed towards Georgia, and we're your broadcast for Mobile, Alabama.
We're heading towards Mississippi.
Yeah, which is heading towards Mississippi, and it's going to be here till tomorrow, which is unknown time. And you'll figure out tomorrow if you're in the storm Jordan.
Now tell them what we see right now.
What we see right now is just calm rain, but it will get rougher, right?
Right.
And hold on, 1 second. Cameraman, camerawoman. Hello.
Hi.
And if you can see, there's my daddy, there's my puppy, Chase. Hello, Chase. Say hello. Hello. Give them kisses, okay?
Okay, hunker down and be safe.
Hunker down and be safe. And whatever you do, just do not go outside when it's really hard or the hurricane. There's a hurricane and a tropical storm going on right now in America. If you're not watching this in America, well, then that's what's happening right now. What? What does that mean?
That means wrap it up. Say thank you for joining us.
Thank you for joining us.
Stay safe.
Stay safe. Make sure you thumbs up this video, subscribe, hit that bell on notifications so you won't miss a video. Bye. See you next time. But